Hey guys, today I'll be creating a look with iLMakiage, so stay tuned. I already have my face done. Now we're gonna continue with the eyes. For today's makeup look, I'm gonna be using this palette. It's called Color Boss Squad on my eyes. I'm going to be using Shopaholic. So with the fluffy brush, we're just gonna be wiping back and forth. As my base color, I will be using red bottoms. Now I want to make this look a little bit more dramatic, so what I'm going to do is, with the same brush that I used for my base, I'm pretty much just going to sweep it out to kind of make a cat eye effect, as you can see. Next step is you want to grab a brush, a flat brush, and pretty much spray any setting spray on it to wet it. Next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna use Killing It, and I'm gonna put that right here on the base. I'm gonna go in with a darker purple, and I'm just gonna gently go over the glitter area that I just did. Now to really give this a dramatic look, I'm going to be going in with a black eyeliner and doing a cat eye. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going in with red bottoms underneath my eyes. Like a child who wants to play. I feel it burning under my feet. I'll be using Do Your Thing in the corner of my eye. I can't stay here and wait for you. Step, I'll be going in with the eyeliner called Batman. The last step, I'll be applying the Lily Lashes in Hollywood. Next, I'll be using the lip liner in Poppy. After lining my lips, I'm just going to simply put on their lip gloss.